In this video, you know about how much does a 3 cubic foot bag of mulch cover. You have to figure out the coverage of 3 cubic foot bag of mulch, and you know that mulch is layer of material put over the soil surface to improve the soil conservation, the moisture content of the soil, and the fertility of soil. Here is the volume of one bag of mulch. Here you have given is about 3 cubic foot, and you have to figure out the coverage of mulch bag, and the depth of mulch is generally range between 1 inches to 4 inches, and the formula to calculate the coverage of mulch in a square footage is equal to the volume of one bag of mulch divided by the depth of mulch. These are the formula. First we calculate what are the depth at 1 inch deep. At 1 inch deep, what are the coverage of mulch? It means the total volume of one bag of mulch, that is given the 3 cubic foot, and the depth of mulch, that is 1 inches, that is equal to 1 by 12, and this is 3 multiply 12 divided by 1, that will come about 36 a square footage. It means at 1 inch deep, a 3 cubic foot bag of mulch will cover area about 36 square footage, and at 2 inch deep, what are the coverage of mulch? That is volume 3 cubic foot divided by the depth 2 by 12, means 3 multiply 12 divided by 2, that will come about 18 a square footage. It means a 2 inch deep, a 3 cubic foot bag of mulch will cover about 18 a square footage. And now calculate the coverage at 3 inch depth. The 3 foot divided by 3 by 12, that will come about 3 multiply 12 divided by 3. It means the 12 a square footage. It means at 3 inch deep, a 3 cubic foot bag of mulch will cover about 12 square footage area. And what are the coverage at 4 inch deep? At 4 inch deep, the 3 foot, the total volume of one bag divided by 4 by 12, this equal 3 multiply 12 divided by 4, that is equal as 9 square footage. It means at 4 inch deep, a 3 cubic foot bag of mulch will cover about 9 square footage area, and this one is the coverage area of a 3 cubic foot bag of mulch at different thickness. Thank you.